Hey folks, and welcome. I have Redmi Watch 3 active in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face. Now, once you're on the watch face, you can tap here and hold, and it will take you to this menu where you can choose a different watch face. There are 3 watch faces which are installed by default, but we want to see how we can install more. To do that, open the app, tap on the devices, and then scroll down and tap here on manage watch faces. And here you have many different watch faces. You have also some filters here, utility watch faces, we have formal watch faces, and so on. So once you find the watch face you like, tap on it and tap on apply. Now make sure that the smartwatch is close to the phone. Unlock your online potential with Hostinger's fast, secure, and affordable web hosting solutions. Click on the link below for an exclusive 20% off and start building your dream website today. And once the installation is done, the smartwatch is going to apply that watch face automatically. So here it is. It's really as simple as that. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.